Hello everyone, welcome back to the Polytunnel. I think the last video I did was actually up here in the Polytunnel, and it's still a jungle as it was then. But today I've just popped up to harvest some of the tomatoes, and to be honest, I probably should have done it a couple of weeks ago because some of them have gone mushy. Some of them are still quite green though, so not sure if I'm going to grow as many tomatoes up here next year, because things like my cucumbers, I forgot the name then, but the cucumbers are still growing really nicely and they've been amazing this year. So I think next year I'm probably not going to do as many tomatoes. But I'd love actually to hear how your polytunnel was looking at the moment. Have you pulled everything out? Are you waiting for things to harvest? Or, you know, continue ripening? Or have you kind of ripped it out and got it full of your winter veg already? I'd love to know. I think in the last video actually I showed you my courgettes in the corner that just were leggy as anything, but since then I've got some massive courgettes on there that I've not harvested, so they're marrows now. But things have been so busy and I just wanted to pop on today just to say hi, I'm still here. I've had some things going on in my personal life. I'm self-employed as well, and I've got a business deal which is hopefully, fingers crossed, it's been a year in the making, but I've literally almost like completed on it. So maybe I will show you details of that on my other channel, which I've not done anything on for a very long time. So if you don't know, I have another channel called This Frugal Life, which is all about, you know, being cheap or, you know, things like that. But I think I might take you on a little journey, tell you all about my kind of other life outside the garden at some stage on there. So if you don't already subscribe, go and head over on there. There's not that many videos on there, to be honest. But like I said, I've got this business deal that I've been just working really, really hard on, and I'm so proud of myself. But it has meant that the jungle is the jungle. But everything with my other job is kind of helping me be able to like live the life that I want here and stuff. So I'm really excited. But anyway, sorry, that was not the plan of where this video was going. I just wanted to kind of have a catch up really and show you what's going on really. But yeah, not got loads of tomatoes, as you can see. But yeah, the courgettes are doing nicely, and over the next couple of weeks, I think I'm just going to rip everything out in here, give the polytunnel a quick clean, grow my overwinter veg in here. But I did a video about growing your overwinter salads a couple of weeks ago, and they all germinated really nicely, and then a slug has come along and eaten everything. So I really need to get a move on now and get those planted so they can pretty much go straight in here after the well, after everything's ripped out, to be honest. And I'm just so pleased with it actually, how, although it is a jungle up here, how things are looking at this time of year. But I would really love to know, you know, what yours is looking like at the moment. When I came up here earlier as well, I've had a bit of a close call because I think a pig has been in my garden. If not a pig, it's a badger. But my friend about 5 doors up does have pigs and they keep escaping. Okay, so I'm going to blame it on the pigs. They've kind of destroyed the grass up here, and they've come up to the very door of the polytunnel, but they've not kind of walked through and destroyed and eaten the rest of the crop. So I'm really pleased with that. And yeah, that could have been much worse and even maybe like broken the polytunnel. Anyway, sorry, I'm chatting on really. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of say hi and show you what it looks like up here at the moment. Definitely should have harvested some of these tomatoes though a couple of weeks ago really, because some of them have started to go mushy and some are still green. So, you know, those bigger ones that are green will get harvested, but the little ones probably just get straight onto the compost now. And those marrows in the corner, I do need to harvest them and kind of get them processed to put in the freezer to grow next year. But yeah, that's it really. Down at the allotment, a few people have actually asked what is going on with the allotment, and I'm going to say the allotment is a write-off this year, but I will be down there again really soon and do a couple of videos, and things are going on there that I will also show you and go into on a different video. But there you go. I'm still here. I'm still okay. Thanks to everyone that's messaged me because they haven't seen me for 3 weeks. But things will be kind of back to normal, hopefully, in a couple of weeks. And I'll be able to resume weekly videos and kind of get ready for the next growing season, really. So I will see you later. Thank you for watching. It's just obviously a really quick video just to say hi and everything. And I would love to hear what's going on in your garden at the moment. So do leave a message below, but catch you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.